Welcome. My name is Kathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Rita, and today we're going to create a ebook cover in Canva and use a free tool called PDF Merge in order to merge it, make a complete PDF so you can have an ebook. So we're going to create design. And you can choose letter or magazine. I prefer to choose magazine only because I feel like it will make some better options. So let's pick one of the free options for the purposes of this illustration. And we'll scroll down until we see a free book. So a free cover. So let's try to use this one called Mixed. So we're going to use Mixed as the cover. We're going to change this to social media sips by double clicking on here. And social media sips, because that's the area that I normally work in. And my computer, I have way too many tabs open. So I think that is the reason, but let's go here and downsize this font and call this social media sips. And we're going to make it a little bit smaller because I want all of the title to fit on one line. Make it a little smaller. Move this down. Since this is a magazine, I don't have to leave this in the corner. This is the issue and the cost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this because I don't need that for purposes of this. And I am going to use one of the photos. And since this is social media, I am going to use this image. And I'm going to replace it with that. And I am going to use a bolder font right here. And make this extra bold. And type here, learn. Okay, it didn't like that. So I'm going to use the text here and make my own ribbon. Learn. Use this delete button. Okay, and add my text here. I'm going to click here before I move it. Learn social media and with short quick tips. So that's what I want. And this overlay right here, kind of center it. And then I'll add text to here. And And this time I'm going to move it on down for the screen. And I'm going to highlight this and change the font to white. It's one letter. Still won't. Okay. Thought I wanted to delete the entire element. So I'm going to highlight here, then make it white. Highlight the entire word and make it white. Then I'll drag it here. Okay. So I can stretch it out or leave it like that, but I'm going to center it on the screen. I'm done. That's how I want it to look. So then I will save Social Media Sips 1. Done. Save that as the title. And then download. Save as a PDF. And then I already have it open, but one of the steps says to go to PDF Merge. And what you want to do is you want to choose the files that you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use the download that I just created. And it's a Social Media Sips cover. Not the one I just made, but that's okay because it has the same title. And you'll see it show up here. And then if you use the document in Word and you went to the Save As, you can save it as a PDF. And then what you can do, upload that PDF here. So since I created one the other day, I called it Social Media Checklist. Social Media Checklist. So while we're waiting for that to download, the document I wanted, we just passed, but let's go here. Okay, so we're going to use this Social Media Checklist PDF. It's uploaded here. I'm going to click on Merge Files. And then this page. So I can send it to myself, or I can view and download in browser. I'm going to choose